In this demo, we're going to go over some of the functionality of the mobile app and pretty much touch all the pages that exist in the app. We're going to start from clicking on the icon to open the app, and then we'll log in with InfoSight and Face ID. So I'm going to click on sign in with Face ID, and it recognizes me and signs in. The first task that we'll go over is the overview of the app. The app has 4 tabs: dashboard. We are currently on dashboard. Then alerts. So it shows all the alerts from the arrays that we are monitoring. Cases. Cases shows all the open and closed cases. By default, all the open cases are shown, but we can filter and see the closed cases as well. And then finally, options. Options is more like a settings thing where we can see our profile, toggle the arrays that we want to monitor, and then notification, management of alerts and cases, and contacting the support. Now let's see how a user can start from the dashboard and drill down to see the related alerts and cases to take action on it. On the dashboard, we see on the top system panel, we have 4 arrays and 4 out of 4 has connection or hardware issues. If we tap on this, it's going to take us to the alerts, and all the alerts with the issues will show up. It automatically applies the filter. On the top, you can see category, system, and group by array is applied. And if I scroll down, I can see all the alerts are organized by array names. So on the top, it's array 137, and then array 143, and then array 146, and likewise. Now we can click on any of the alert to see the details of the alert. This page will show complete details of the alert and also the associated case number. So on the top panel, you can see case, category, status, array, and group. In front of the case, you'll see the case number, and it's actually a link. If we click on the link, it's going to take us to the case, which is associated with the alert. We can see all the details related to the case, and we can see the description. We can see the comments, which are added by either the customer or the customer support. So we can click on that, and it shows us all the comments associated with this case. We can go back. We can share the case as well. So if I click on share, it's going to present me all the options which are available on the phone. So if you have any other app where you can share, it's going to actually show that as well. I'm going to click on message. So it's going to show the iMessage. And here we can type the number with which we want to share the case to and click send. So now I'm going to click cancel, come back. So let's go back. In the alert, we can actually acknowledge an alert, and we can also share the alert. So let's click on acknowledge. It acknowledges the alert, and on the top, you can see that we received a notification as well telling us that the alert has been acknowledged. And in the same way, we can unacknowledge an alert also. And similarly, we can share the alert as well. Click on share message, and we can share it with anybody that's interested in this alert. So click cancel, go back. Now let's go back to the alerts list view and see how we can actually search and filter the alerts list. So this was the default filter applied when we actually navigated from the dashboard page to the alerts page. Now here we can search for the alert with the text as well. So if I type, let's say admin, it's going to show me all the alerts related to the admin text inside it. So I'm seeing 2 alerts on 2 different arrays right now. We can cancel this, and we can tap on the filter, and we can apply other filters as well, like sort by severity or last updated time, status, not acknowledged or acknowledged, and we can apply other categories and group by the array as well. So let's cancel this out. Now let's go to cases. I'm going to tap on cases. It's going to take us to the cases view, and cases are by default sorted with time. So I'm going to see the latest one on the top. So the latest one is a few seconds ago. It was updated, and if you see at the bottom, everything is pretty much old. And we can actually just click on any of them, and it's going to show me the details of the cases. And we can actually go to comments. We can add a comment here, click send, and it's sending a comment, and that's done. So it's pretty easy to handle cases as well. Users can, by default, on the go, use their mobile app and reply to the comments to customer support and manage their cases. They can actually add images as well. So if I go back to comments, I click on the camera icon. Either I can upload an image from the library or take a photo. So both of them are available. I'm gonna right now click the choose from library and maybe just upload any of the picture. So it's gonna upload the image as well. And these images are available to view from the InfoSight portal. So customer support is gonna have access to them. Now we can go back and from here we can try to resolve the case as well. So I'm gonna click on resolve. Here we can type an optional message for the resolution notes. So maybe I can type working good right now. So that's why I'm resolving it. So click resolve and done. And then we get a case updated notification as well that the case has been resolved. I can go back and in this view, I'm not going to see that case because I have resolved it. So I can filter the cases by status and click on closed, apply, and here on the top, I'm able to see that resolved case right now. So let's go back to the open one and we can sort by priority. And this time we're going to see all the P2s on the top and the P4 at the bottom because now we are sorting by priority. Similar to alerts, we can search for cases also. I'm going to click here and type array. That's going to show me all the cases which have ARRA in the text. So I'm seeing currently 2 cases right there. So we can click cancel. Now let's see what are different options to customize the information in the app. So we can click on options and we can see the profile of the user. It shows the name, title, company, and the email address of the user. Go back. And from here, we can select which arrays we want to monitor. I can click on arrays. By default, all the arrays are selected, but we can toggle this and then select the particular array which we want to monitor. If we do that, the information of alerts and cases related to those particular arrays will show up on the app and the remaining arrays will not show. That's how we monitor different arrays. Let's again select all of them, go back. And in the notifications, we can actually select which kind of alert notifications we want to see for each category. So like system, currently we are watching critical and warning notifications. We can select to only see the critical notifications or none of them for the system category. So this is all we can manage for alerts notification and go back. And in cases, we can go to cases and we can select which cases I want to see the notification for, whether the case is for everybody or just me. Or if it's a new case, I want to see it, or I want to see the notifications for the case update only. So we can toggle all these settings to our preferences and watch the cases or alerts notifications as per our need. Then from the bottom, customer support, we can see this support information. And from here, customers can easily contact the customer support by phone and by email. Let's go back. So here we can see all the notifications that we have received right now because we updated some of the cases, we acknowledged the alert. So if I tap on any of the notification, it's going to take me to that page. So currently when I tapped on the notification, I'm navigated to the case details page, and from here I can see all the details of the case itself. Notifications are very helpful to navigate to the case or alert which has been updated.